Make sure I don't run into nothing.
A bus.
Wonder how much y'all pay. They had that listed on there, but they say they had that listed on there. They say it's like they say it can take you anywhere, so it's like a drop you. It's like basic and stuff. Is it up there? While you're up there, maybe. I see a table. So I don't know if you're able to buy drinks in it. I thought you wanted something first. Or you want to get that to go?
Are you playing over there? Okay, you can go.
Folks, I didn't want to tell you how low the water is. I didn't want to tell you too much because you're gonna know it when we go through it.
Oh, my phone keeps. Oh, I need to take somebody's photo so they have mine taken ours. Like, hey, you want me to take your picture? You mind taking my picture? Ty. Let's get the ones that are sticking up. Bitch, look at them. Fuck no. Making my heart beat.
Well, I don't know if that's safe for you to be walking and recording me.
I'ma just record
Okay.
what I can, so
Okay.
if it doesn't actually get you, because I'ma be looking and looking down.
I'm gonna start walking then.
Try to walk as slow as possible. It's blurry. Like, it's blurry in and out.
We're gonna get another flat surface. We'll get a flat surface.
Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, go. And then maybe go down to the side over here, these steps. It's like every time I move, it starts getting blurry.
Yeah, it's doing some dumb shit. Oh, I didn't know you were still recording.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Now I'm gonna do a view panorama.
The Grand Canyon. We might make a special one just for the Grand Canyon. And then do the rocks.
All right, we probably should start headed back.
Yeah, what time is it?
11:31.
Yeah. It's way to be seen that way. Towards back to the...
That joke. Yeah, 69 stairs or there's a flat path. Wow. And wherever they needed, that's how they used it. The cable wires have only been changed one time, 1960. Those are the exact same cable wires from 1960. Right there to your left. Yes, we did. Were you sleeping? No. You're gonna get a picture. Hold on, baby. Quick. Look over here to your left. Do you see where those people are standing? Well, there's a plaque there. It's in the honor of the dog that used to roam here at the dam. That dog, a top of that white ring. We are approximately about 150 feet below normal. Now I'm going to get to that. See, this is stuff you wouldn't have seen if we would have did the bridge. Here's your lines. Again, this is where they came out and blasted out. Like I said, I could have called for a bus, but nobody wanted.
Here you go. Thank you very much. Just type it.
Not this move, man.
Oh, this. It's recording. They don't really do much with my class. You came in.
I can't even see anybody. It's so windy, right?
It's just been around.
Is that the range? Yeah.